The AcneLXR Premium Kit 30-day supply just dropped, and with it we are issuing the 30-day acne challenge. And what this is this will last you 30 days, and I guarantee that this is going to be the best acne treatment that you've ever tried, that I'm willing to take out all the risk and give you a 30-day money-back guarantee that you use it. If you're not thrilled with the results you get, that I will refund your money 100% on me. That's how much I know you're gonna love this. This is the product that I use, that I developed in order to clear my own skin. I'll show you my before and after picture, and I want to get your before and after pictures too, to prove to you and to prove to everyone that this is the best thing that you could try. So here's what we're gonna do. Not only am I gonna give you a 30-day money-back guarantee, if you take a before picture before you start using it, and you take an after picture at the end of the 30 days, and you send it in to me, I'm going to give you your next month for free, also on me. So I'm waiving all the risks. There's a free product there. All you have to do is order right now. Take a before picture, take an after picture, send it in to me, and the offer is all yours. I know it's gonna blow you away. Made with natural and organic ingredients, will not dry your skin out, will only clear it. Try it now.